how to lock knot style with extensions and create this beautiful style.
My natural lock. That's my lock. And I'm just grabbing some extension hair and I'm gonna feed it through this crochet lock, actually, this crochet lock, and I'm gonna feed it through this hole here. Now I'm gonna take my lock. I'm going to tie it around the end there. So my lock is kind of hanging loose and the crochet hair is over here at the end. So at this point, I'm just trying to turn so you can see what's happening here. The dog's walking all over the place, laying down, flopping, doing what they want to do, not giving a care. So I've twisted the hair in that direction. Now I'm gonna wrap in this direction.
If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also tap the notification button so that you can get all the latest updates. I started running out of space to continue wrapping, so I pushed the hair up and then stretched it to a point where I could continue wrapping.
So my end is kind of like messed up, but I don't really care about being perfect. So I'm just leaving it alone, I don't care. And I'm gonna continue on. But if you want more of a polished look and you don't want these kind of like situations that I got going on, just keep wrapping till the complete end to kind of disguise it, like this one here, which is a little better.
This is a great way to extend your lock, add thickness and color without the damage.
See how little that is? I don't know if it even shows that piece right here. Just I keep wrapping until I can't wrap any longer. Typically you need an elastic to finish these looks off. Mine may unravel because I'm literally just wrapping to the end and hoping that they don't let go. Right now I'm liking this look. I think it's cute. Super full. It's like thicker than I expected it to be. So I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm not gonna do my whole head because I realized that it's gonna be too much for me to handle. So I'm gonna do a calm down version.
I really didn't know what the heck I was gonna do with my hair and figured out that maybe I'll do some flat twists, having them all go up towards my crown and seeing how that goes.
Ayikholana
There are two sections of hair in my hand. I will be attaching the crochet lock to one side and then continuing by twisting the sections together until I get past my hair. As you can see, I've reached the end of my hair, and so now it's time to start the lock knot process and continue throughout my head. I had to do a quick check to make sure everything looked alright.
I'm not perfect, I came from ruthless times. As a juvenile, look into my eyes, see pain and sacrifice. What's goes on my mind? Just trying to survive.
When I completed this look, I did not use hot water to set the hair. Instead, I placed the hair where I wanted it to lay and put a scarf over it. And I was done. Ready for the reveal? I'm actually happy with how this turned out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.